Next topic is common functions. So in this topic I will explain most popular or most commonly used function in Excel. First is sum. So the category of this function is math and trigonometry and it is used to add values. Next function is round. Category of round function is math and trigonometry and it rounds a number specified by the number of digits. For example, if we will write equal to round 2.149, 1, then it will round this number to one decimal place. So answer will be 2.1. Next function is count. Category of count is statistical and this function is used to count text or numbers in a range. Next function is average. Category of average is statistical and it is used to find average value in a series. Next function is min. Category of min is statistical and it is used to calculate smallest value in a series. Next function is max. Category of max is statistical and it returns largest value in a series. Next function is median. Category of median is statistical and it calculates the middle value in a series. Next function is PMT. Category of PMT is financial and this function is used for calculating periodic payment for a fixed loan. Next is rate. Category of rate is financial and it is used for calculating interest rate. Next function is days 360. Its category is date and time. This function is used to calculate the number of days between two dates and it uses a 360-day calendar. Next function is if. Category of if is logical. If function return the result depending on whether the value is true or false. So this function is used to test the conditions. Next function is AND. Category of AND is logical. This function return true value if all the arguments are true, otherwise it return false answer. Next function is OR. Category of OR is logical. This function return true value if any of the argument is true, otherwise it returns false answer.